Hey guys, in this video, we are going to discuss whether or not an HOA can foreclose, and if an HOA can foreclose, what that looks like. It's a surprise to many people, but in California, the answer is yes, an HOA can foreclose. I know it's surprising because you typically don't owe them that much money. So let me give you an example. I'll give you a scenario. If you have not paid your HOA and the HOA has put a lien on your house for the amount of unpaid dues or unpaid assessments, they can initiate a HOA foreclosure. If the HOA forecloses, just like a deed of trust or a mortgage, they have to file a notice of default. They have to set a trustee sale date. And then the trustee sale date has to move forward, meaning you don't do anything to stop that trustee sale date. If an HOA is foreclosing, just like a mortgage, you always have the right to cure your default. You can pay them the money you owe them. You can file a lawsuit against them if you don't think you owe them the money. You can file a bankruptcy to stop the foreclosure and pay back the money that you owe them. But if a HOA actually does foreclose, the question is what happens? Well, the most important thing to know is if an HOA forecloses, is one, you don't own the house anymore because the HOA has foreclosed. And two, in California, there is a 90-day right of redemption. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that if an HOA forecloses on you, you have 90 days to come up with the amount of money that they foreclosed on you for, and you can redeem your property. Okay, so redemption, think of it as redeeming or getting back your property. So I'll give you another scenario. Let's say that you owe your HOA $5,000 and they set a foreclosure sale date for that $5,000, and then the foreclosure takes place for that $5,000. Once the foreclosure happens and you lose your home to foreclosure, you can contact the HOA, and as long as you can come up with that $5,000 plus any reasonable cost that the HOA may have incurred, foreclosure cost, attorney cost, document preparation cost, as long as you can come up with that money in 90 days, you can get your property back. So the one big difference between an HOA foreclosure and a deed of trust foreclosure is that you can redeem your property and get your property back within those 90 days. So if your HOA forecloses again for $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, you can contact your friends, your family, you can pull money from your retirement, from under the mattress, whatever it is that you need to do, and you can get that back from the HOA. So beware of HOA foreclosures, but understand that they are different than mortgage and deed of trust foreclosures, and you do have a 90-day right to redeem your property. I hope that helps. Sternberg Law Group. My name is Joshua Sternberg. If you like these videos, please subscribe or pass them along to people who you think it would be helpful. If you have any questions, you can always comment below. We do our best to reply to all the questions that are asked. Thank you.